Hi there, Manish here once again, and today I am going to reveal you an amazing magical app. It's Google Sheet Batch Update. So we all play around with Google Sheet throughout the day, and in most of the make scenarios we see people are using Google Sheets. But the big part is whenever you're using Google Sheet to update or to add or to clear a row or a line, you have to spend one operation. And what if you have thousands of lines, hundreds of rows? Then you'll have to spend thousands of operations to update, add, and delete them or clear them. Now, with this app, with this magical app, I would say, you can do like thousands of row append, update, clear in just one single operation. So I'm so excited to present you Google Sheet Batch Update app presented by Msquare. So we were working on this for quite long, and most of our clients, many people in Make were asking how they can do batch updates, batch append. So let's check out today this amazing app which can help you to save a lot of time plus so many operations on Make. Let's see how it works. So this is the app part. This is something called Google Sheet Msquare app, and this is available on invitation basis. So in case if you want to try it, the link is given in description below. You can just go to that invitation page, fill out information, and you can try it for free. Now, we have included 4 fundamentals and 1 additional feature. So fundamentals are like, first, you can batch update row, you can batch append row or add rows, you can clear rows in batch, you can sort the entire sheet, and finally, you can even format the header from Make itself, from the coding itself. So let's go one by one how you can do this. So for this particular video, I have created 2 sheets. One is a customer database and one is a CRM master sheet. And in this way, I'm going to show you a real life example. So here you can see I have all the customer data available over here. Like these are more than approximately 1000 lines, 999 row are there, right? And this is the CRM master sheet which I have, which is completely blank. You can see here. So now if I have to put that entire data into this CRM master sheet, so that's just a moment's work. So let's see. So let's go here. So this is how we can build the scenario. So we can first search row from the base sheet, that is a customer master. Then we can do array aggregation. So this array will aggregate entire information into one piece, and then it can use Google Sheet Batch Append Row app. And through this, you can append all the row simultaneously at one operation to your destination sheet. So let's see. I'll quickly show you here. So here I have defined the source file, or I have defined this customer data, and we are just searching without any condition. Here we aggregated all the lines based upon the destination sheet structure. And finally, here we are appending them. So the destination sheet is the CRM master, right? And we have selected a couple of ranges, so column A to E, and here is the data sources map array from the array aggregator. This is the array we mapped, user entered. Fine, so let's see the magic happens. I'm going to run the scenario now, and you can see this destination sheet, the CRM master is completely blank. The source sheet from customer data we are going to pick, and it's connecting through an array. Just click on here. 1, 2, 3, boom. So all 1000 lines are updated just in one moment, just using one single operation. So you can see here on my Make account, it used one single operation to append 1000 lines together. Similar way, let's see this. So in case if you want to update multiple lines or multiple row in Google Sheet, for example, I have maintained a status against each of them in column F. So currently we took data up to column E. Now let's say there are different status for different customers, different clients, and I want to update them in column F over here in the sheet, right? So I can do all 1000 status update again in one single operation, right? So let's see here. In case of batch update, I'll quickly show you again. So here we're searching all the lines, all the row from our base sheet. We will aggregate it, but this time we are going for an update. So it asks us which particular column or a range of column you want to update. So here I defined column F, I want to update in the destination sheet. And what I want to update, so I'm getting column F, the status column from my previous search. So I just append that value over here. And finally, I'm using this Google Sheet Batch Update, the row, right? So this module from Msquare. You can simply map the array over here. So array will be like a single collection of or single batch of the entire update inputs. Then you can define like based upon serial number you want to update, the formatted value and the user entered inputs we want to update. So let's check out again. Column F is completely blank over here. Column F is fully available on this. And let me run the scenario. And let's see the magic once again. So on one single operation, you can see it updated all the status for all 1000 raw. Just a second, it's quite minimized. Perfect. Let me zoom in and show you. See, everywhere we can see the status updated on each of the line items. Just to add it here, you can use this module not just from Google Sheet to Google Sheet, but it can work with any of the inputs. So it can be Monday, or it can be Airtable, Notion, Excel sheet. From anywhere you can take the inputs and update, append, or create new lines in Google Sheet, new rows in Google Sheet. One more I would like to show is something called batch clear. So batch clear is something you can see here. It will delete or clear the raw defined or the range you defined for rows, right? So for example, the CRM master, the destination file we're using. Now here you can define the range and you say clear specified range or clear data from the selected sheet, right? So in one single operation again, this will clear out, it will delete all the data available across those range raw, or it can be even delete everything from the Google the sheet itself. So here I defined the range of column A to Z a million. And let's see once again. So here you see just single module is available over here. Same way, if you want to clear out a range, a dynamic range, then also you can put it from somewhere input and it can done through that, right? So let me please show you. Now let me quickly run this module and you can see here all the lines gone, right? In a one single operation. So you don't have to use again and again thousands. Perfect. So another cool feature we added here is something called sort a sheet. So sort a sheet is quite a headache for so many people because any new line we add to Google Sheet will be at the end of the sheet, right? And we at time want these lines to be at the top, or maybe any other use you want to take of sort function, right? Sort based upon the ascending descending orders based upon the date time, or maybe on the serial numbers. So that can be achieved. Now I'll quickly show you how the sort works. Here you can see in this sort module, we just have to define our source sheet where we want to sort the things. And now you can define a range of raw, how many raw you want to sort. So it starts from 1 to 1000, and you can define which column you want to sort. So let's say from column 0 to column 6. So index always starts from 0, right? So we'll see columns 0 to 5, I would say. So total 6 columns we have here up to status. Now you can define which column you want to sort. So we want to sort column number B. So we based per the index rule, it starts from 0 to, so the B will be the second column. So it's called the column index 1. And how you want to sort? So it's descending or ascending. Now here you can see on this column B, all the names are available for different people. John, Pleasure, or test data, or name, or something else. Now if I would run this module, you will see the magic. Again, this entire sheet will be sorted in a matter of seconds, right? So I'll quickly run this. Boom. So this is done. You can see it was descending sort. So all the name from Y, T, S comes up like this. Again, if I want to sort it on ascending basis, let me just go there and sort it. So let me just change the order to ascending, and boom. So one more time, this is sorted full ascending. So all the names are appearing like this. In case if I want to again sort it back from the serial number which we used, so let's go and put like column index 0 we want to sort, ascending order, click OK. Now whatever serial number you see, 2, 12, all these, they are because of this ascending sort by names. Instead now we are sorting by the serial number. So let's go and see the magic. So it's sorted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the same index. So this is something how we are like empowering the Make users. And one last but not least, just an additional thing we have added here in this Google Sheet module is something called format header. So in case if you want to format any of your spreadsheet headers, you can do it as per from the coding itself, from the scenario itself. So how this works is you'll have to again choose the sheet. So let's choose the sheet of our CRM master. Now let's choose the right spreadsheet is batch update, and let's come here. So what we want to, from where we want to start the raw. So it's 0 to 100 or maybe 1000. It doesn't make a difference. What colors we want to put here. So we said it can be like, it's follow the RGB pattern. So let's put 100 red, 10 green, 10 blue. In case if you want to give any color to our text, that can also be done. So let's give, I think 00 will be the white color. We can define the alignment. So it should be, currently all these you can see are in left aligned, right? Most of them. Now, if you want to put a center alignment, we can do, or maybe right alignment. That's quite easy to verify. Font size, we can do 25. It will be quite bold, quite big. Currently these are bold, let them be bold. If we want to define a freeze draw count, we can also do. So first draw can be freezed, and click OK. And let's see the magic once again. Oh, so it did this entire formatting for all the lines, right? All first 100 line. Perfect. So this is how you can do all the batch updates, sorting, and even the format header through this Google Sheet custom app, right? Again, I'm repeating, in case if you want to try this app, the link is given in description. This is available on the invitation basis. So you'll have to install this app on your organization. You'll get the entire command, how you can, instructions, how you can use this app on your own organization in your scenarios. If you need any other help, or if you want any other such useful or valuable applications, do comment below, and our team will work on it. Will surely bring that app for you. So thank you very much for being with us. We are really delighted to help you all. Thank you once again.